completely redesigned our best-selling thermostat fan to make it even better. PROFORM's high-performance universal 15-inch electric fan is the perfect upgrade to replace the stock fan in your vehicle. You know, the one that steals up to 15 horsepower or maybe even more whenever you hit the road. Our S-Style fan is built rugged and generates far less noise than the competition's straight-blade products. It's equipped with a thermostat that's adjustable from 160 to 240 degrees. Mounted to your radiator supports with sturdy brackets and driven by a heavy-duty motor, this unit pulls up to 2,800 CFM of air with a 14-amp current draw. Overall measurements of PROFORM's high-performance universal 15-inch electric fan are 18 by 16 and an 8 by 4¼ inches. All mounting hardware and wiring are included. With more than 30 years of experience serving the high-performance automotive aftermarket, PROFORM has earned a reputation for innovation, quality, and affordability.